You've got 60 seconds. That's it. This is a TED Talk, not a therapy session. You are not here to list your tools, your titles, or your childhood trauma. An elevator pitch is not your life story. It's not a voice memo of your resume. And it is definitely not a chance to prove how humble you are. You are not just a bookkeeper. You're a business owner, a translator of chaos, a problem solver, a profit protector, and a trusted advisor. You keep chaos in check and help business owners sleep at night. So why would you introduce yourself like you're asking for a job? Think of your pitch like a trailer for a movie. You've got 1 minute to make them want the full version. The goal isn't to explain everything. It's to spark curiosity, credibility, confidence. Try this one. I work with overwhelmed service providers who hate the money stuff. I clean up their books, build in systems, and help them actually understand their numbers so they can finally grow without guessing. Notice that didn't even take 60 seconds. And notice what I didn't say. I didn't use the word QuickBooks. I didn't say how long I've been doing this. I said what I do for them. That's the pitch. Here's what takes your pitch to the basement. Leading with, I'm just rambling into, I do a lot of different things. Or ending with, does that make sense? Stop. You're not asking for validation, you're offering value. You don't need to prove your worth, you need to state it clearly. So here's what to avoid. Leading with your software or credentials. I use QuickBooks and have a certificate. Snooze, that's about you, not about them. Being too vague. I help small businesses with finances. Cool, so do 12 million other people. How do you do it differently? And don't apologize for selling. You're offering value, not begging for work. Get confident, get crisp, and make sure your pitch lifts, not sinks. Here's a simple formula to keep you on the top floor. 1, who do you help? 2, what problem do you solve? 3, how do you do it uniquely? 4, the result they get. Here's another example. I help home service pros who are amazing at their craft but drowning in paperwork. I bring calm to the chaos through streamlined books, clear reports, and systems that put them back in control of their time and profits. Now, that's clear, credible, and client-focused. So when you write your pitch, be tight and targeted, and test it on a human. Better yet, say it 10 times this week, at the coffee shop, in your Instagram bio, in a networking room. Make it a muscle, not a mantra. Repeat it over and over again in the mirror and time yourself. Because this isn't just a pitch, it's a positioning statement. And mavens don't ride down. Mavens only ride the elevator up. If this connected with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you missed out on the last episode, visit, and then visit some more, make sure you check that out because it ties directly into this episode. We've got lots more on networking in the 4-Minute Maven, as well as a plethora of other information to help you start, scale, and sustain your bookkeeping practice. And as usual, if you've got an extra 4 minutes, we've got an extra episode. Next up, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Now, if that harkens you back to Annie with an earworm, then our best advice is for you to watch it right now and get that out of your system. Stay tuned. We'll see you there.